fun stuff starts happening. What I just described. What's the next thing? This is a screenshot, and I know it's kind of fuzzy, but this is a screenshot from one of our applications. You can see it on a Chicago local guide applications that we have for free. And this is augmented reality. So this picture is taken from 15th floor here in Chicago. You're looking through the device knows where you're at and which direction you're looking, and picks up what interests you, what is around, and then you click on any one of those little bricks right here, and it tells you, on the right hand side you have Sears Tower or Willis Tower, and it tells you a little more information about that place, or if you're looking for lunch or whatever. So augmented reality is becoming big, and right here, disregard this picture, this is only for fun, just to get your attention. But right here you have recognition of the car, and once you recognize the car, you can go after license plate, and obviously you can compare that with OCR against the database of license plates. This picture right here, you can actually detect a lot of things. You have a bike right here, you have some cars, you have people, all interesting. Right here, we recognize, not we, because this is an image from the web, but there is a face recognition, and in your own applications you can run it against your Facebook friends, and every time you snap a picture, your application could figure out who you took the picture of. And for security reasons, for security agencies, this application is of course a big deal. So why are we talking about Android? Why I'm interested in Android? Before Android, I've done some iPhone applications, most of them as a project manager, but nevertheless, and all of a sudden I switched entirely to Android. Part of it was happenstance, it was total coincidence, but right now it's not coincidence. If you take the rate of sales, don't mind for a second that iPhone and iPad are absolute kings in the market. If you take the sales of rates of sales, Android doesn't. Other devices don't even come close to sales numbers. So Android devices sell today at the rate of about 80 million per year, and that compares to Apple 54 million and BlackBerry 48. If you look at this trend, it's very obvious. Now, this particular graph shows history over the last year or so of different operating systems. So these two lines is Android. Actually, this is pure Android. This is different versions. So this is Android. Right here you have a BlackBerry sales, and right here you have an iOS devices. So you can very clearly see that those paths are starting to merge, and actually Android already overtook the BlackBerry with 26.7% of the market, and iPhone is still doing very well, and hopefully it's going to do well in the future, especially with the Verizon carrier supporting iPhone. That's going to be really good for everybody. Any questions so far about the market?
So you're talking about sales of the whole device?
The previous slide is about sales, a rate of sales.
Of what?
Of all the OS devices. Okay, that's the rate of sales. This is actually how many devices are on the market being used right now.